legal challenge would be over the Missouri State Tax Commission's order last week. It states 75% of property assessments were incorrect. KMBC 9's Andy Alcock is live now outside the Jackson County Courthouse after speaking to county leaders. Andy?
Yeah, Kelly and Laura, the executive branch leaders here with Jackson County call the Tax Commission's order unprecedented to reverse last year's assessment. In fact, they also say it would have dire consequences. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. They say for county schools, fire districts, and cities, they stand combined to lose more than $100 million. They plan to work with Jackson County's 57 taxing districts to fight the order in court. Now, this ongoing issue has unfolded after an unprecedented 54,000 residential property owners filed appeals on last year's valuation.
The remedy for property tax is going through the appeals process. So if we don't go through the appeals process, then we don't know where we are. So when you get that first valuation, then that number is going to change. It's going to change as you go through the process, but you have to go through the process.
Now, we're told there are still more than 10,000 pending appeals from last year's property valuations. Executive branch leaders say despite the Tax Commission's order, homeowners should not expect any kind of refund or tax credit. And they claim it might be just the opposite, with homeowners seeing an increase in property taxes as schools and other taxing jurisdictions increase their rates to make up for any lost revenue from decreased property values.
They created the mess. And so the reality is we have to fix it. We have to find common solutions. We have never seen this level of, I have never seen this level of engagement in any legislative office. I mean, 300-400 emails in 2 days, that's crazy.
And as we speak, the Jackson County legislature is debating a resolution to tell the county councilor not to go to court and challenge this tax commission ruling. We do not have a resolution as in terms of whether this has been passed or not at this point. Executive branch leaders previously today say they plan to move forward with some type of case in court with potentially some school districts, maybe some other taxing jurisdictions, regardless of what the legislature does here this afternoon. Reporting live at the Jackson County Courthouse, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
All right, thank you, Andy.
Jackson County Assessor Gail McCann Beatty says part of the issue with last year's assessment lies with the company the county hired. She claims Tyler Technologies didn't hire data collectors as quickly as needed. There was a lawsuit against them. It's now been dropped, and McCann Beatty says the plan is for the county to take over the whole process in 9 months.